Welcome to our titration lab. Titrations are performed to determine the precise endpoint of a reaction and the precise quantity of a reaction in the titration flask. Before beginning a titration, you need to know the concentration of the standard solution and the stoichiometry of the reaction that will take place. To determine the unknown variable, you should collect the initial and final volumes from the burette. This is how you read volume. Look from eye level at the bottom of the meniscus. Make sure to realize the burette has 0 at the top with its increasing values going down the scale. Record digits by looking at the last graduation above the meniscus. Mark your results 1 digit past what the scale is. Proper preparation for the burette includes rinsing the burette with water 3 times and then the solution you plan on using 3 times before each use. First, begin by measuring a certain volume of acid. Then, put a certain volume of base into your burette. Record the initial volume. Then slowly release the base into the acid while swirling. Do this until the light pink endpoint is noticed. Record the final volume by reading from the bottom of the meniscus and recording to the correct number of decimal places. Subtract the final from the initial to find the volume transferred. Begin by pouring a certain volume of base into your burette closest to the 0 mark as possible. Measure your initial volume from the bottom of the meniscus to the correct number of decimal places and record it in your lab manual. Slowly release the volume of the base into your reaction vessel while swirling the reaction vessel until you notice a light pink endpoint. Record your final volume by reading from the bottom of the meniscus again. Record this in your lab manual and subtract from the initial volume to find your volume transferred. Begin by pouring a certain volume of base into your burette. Record the initial volume of the base in the burette by reading from the bottom of the meniscus. Record this in your data table. Then, release the base into the acid while swirling the reaction vessel. Slowly release the base as you notice a color change. You may notice that the reaction will turn very pink, but this will quickly go away. Continue releasing the base until the color change stays for an extended period of time. The endpoint will be a light pink color. Record the final volume by looking at the bottom of the meniscus and write this in your lab manual. Subtract the final from the initial volume to find your volume transferred.